These are the shades for women who love to be stylish and love to be near or on the water. Hey you, it's Maria here with Shades Daddy. Let's talk about the Costa Lorettos. So one thing I really like about these is that they're super stylish and they give you that classic aviator look that a lot of celebrities wear, but also they're really functional. And by that, I mean they feature the Hydralyte rubberized material that Costa is known for on the temple tips and on the nose pads. These women's sunglasses fit as a medium. These are really lightweight, they're super durable, and these will definitely not be coming off whether you're on the water or you're just hanging out with your friends. Another thing to note about these is that it has marine grade corrosion resistant elements, so it's not going to rust on the temple hinges or anything like that. The Costa Loretto features their 580p lens technology. P stands for polycarbonate, and that is their plastic. The color of the frame is rose gold, although in person the rose gold looks more like a subtle gold. The Costa Loretto is also super versatile because you can wear this to brunch and then you can also hit the water right after and go fishing. So be sure to check out the other color options we have available online. The link will be in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to subscribe to the channel.